Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, if x is 90% of y, what percent of x is y? So what's the given question? How to do this? Given that x is 90% of y, then y is what percent of x? So what's the easiest way to do this question? So let's write it as p. Since it is x and y, let it as p percentage of x. So here the easiest method is to assume that y is equal to 100. Okay. So when y is equal to 100, what we are having, what is x? X is 90% of y. So x will be equal to 90. So what percent of x is y? So that's a question. So what will come? What percent of x is y? 100 by 90 into 100. So concept becomes more simple when we assume y is equal to 100. If x is 90% of y, so assume y is 100, so x is equal to 90. So what percent of x is y? That is 100 by 90 into 100, which will give us 111.1%. Okay. Now second question, x percentage of y plus y percentage of x is what percent of xy? So here also just read the question carefully and write x percentage of y means x by 100 of y plus y percentage of x, that is y by 100 of x, is what percentage of xy? So how to find out the what percentage of xy? Divided by xy into 100 will give us the answer. So xy plus xy by 100, that is 2xy by 100 xy into 100, which will give us the answer 2%. 100 and 100 will be cancelled out, and xy also will be cancelling out. So the remaining is 2. So our answer is 2%. Just break down x percentage of y, x by 100 into y, y percentage of x, y by 100 into x, divided by xy into 100 will be giving us the answer to what percentage of xy. Question number 3. Arun's salary is 10% more than Bimal's and Varun's earning is 15% more than Bimal's. Find what percent is Arun's earning of Varun's. So here both Arun's salary and Varun's salary is given with reference to Bimal's salary. There is a common reference. Bimal's salary is the common reference, and both Arun's and Varun's earnings are given as a percentage more than the Bimal's salary. Arun's salary is 10% more than Bimal's and Varun's earning is 15% more than Bimal's. Then what is the percentage relation between Arun and Varun's earnings? So how to do this? Since we are having a common reference, the easiest method will be assume that Bimal is having a 100 rupees salary. So this is possible because we have to find out the percentage. So percentage is always with respect to 100. So in order to make it easier, we are assuming here Bimal's salary is 100. So what will be Arun's salary? Arun's salary will be equal to rupees 110. And what about Varun? Varun's salary will be equal to rupees 115. 10% more than Bimal's and 15% more than Bimal's. So it will be rupees 110 and rupees 115 respectively. So we have to find out what percentage of Arun's earning is Varun's. Okay, required percentage will be equal to Arun with respect to Varun is the question. So it will be 110 divided by 115 into 100, which will be giving us 95.65% approximately. So there is a shortcut formula for this kind of questions in some textbooks, but I think in order to memorize it, it will be very difficult. So if you understand the concept, means this method is more simpler because here there is a common reference, and if that common reference is taken as 100, other two can be represented easily. Arun within a blink of second you will be getting 110. Varun you will be getting it as 115. So 110 by 115 into 100, which is equal to 95.65%. Now question number 4. The price of a chair is 60% of the price of a table. The price of a stool is 15% of that of the price of a table. The stool costs what percentage of the cost of the chair? The same kind of question. Here the price of the table is the reference. The price of the chair is 60% of the table price and the price of the stool is 15% of the table price. Then what percentage is the stool with respect to the chair? So here also table price we have to take it as 100 rupees. It is a common reference. Whatever be the common reference should be taken as 100. So chair we will be getting it as rupees 60 and stool we will be getting it as rupees 15. So what's the question? Stool divided by chair. into 100 percentage. That is our required percentage. Our required percentage will be equal to stool with respect to chair is asked. So 15 by 60 into 100, which will be equal to 1 by 4 into 100, or 25 percentage. The only thing you have to take care is what is the reference. The common reference should be taken as 100. And what's the given question? The stool is costing what percentage of the cost of the chair? The cost of the stool by cost of the chair into 100. There should not be any confusion between numerator and denominator. So with respect to what the question is asked, you have to take care, and that should be taken as the denominator into 100. Thank you for watching.